program natin ngayon, it's chasing PR. We're gonna do sub 25 5K. That means 25 minutes, or kung kaya below 25 minutes. It's gonna be great because there's something inside me that whispers, you can do it today, you can win that today. It's 12:13 in the afternoon. You might say I'm crazy, but look at those clouds. The universe conspires. The universe will conspire. This is gonna be an awesome day. If I fail, that's alright. If I don't win, that's alright. Until this defeat is psychological. Let's go. Gonna have our warm up. Warm up tayo for 1 kilometer. Testing lang muna kung kaya ba. Kaya ba ng knees, kaya ba ng toes, kaya ba ng lahat. Let them think we're crazy. Okay, that's 1 kilometer. Reset natin and then pace na tayo kaagad. Start na. Let's go. I'm quite sure this is sub 25. This is sub 25, baby. This is gonna be sub 25, baby. It's gonna be sub 25. We did it. That is how you earn self-respect. You say what you mean what I say. And I think it's 1 PM. Hindi nagpatawad yung sunlight. Talagang tinutukan niya ako the whole 24 minutes. I wanted to cry, but you know, we still have a lot of fight to give. Minsan nang iyak pag naka sub 20 na tayo. Sub 25 yung hiniling, pero may bonus pa. Pero still sub 25 to. I-round off mo. It's a wonderful day. You might think you're crazy or obsessed, but at least obsession produces result. If ang skin ko may umitim, it's a worth price to pay for this effort, for this PR. Ang skin babalik yan, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako mag-PR ng ganito. And I'm using my Winslow 11. Ramdam ko na meron ng sira dun sa midsole. Tagal pa kasi ng shoes na isa. Congratulations self, you made yourself proud. Init, walang sprinkler nila, natsambahan ko. Kaya pagliliguan ko sana. Sakit. Just 2 months of training, no? September, October, November. Damn. Huwag kayong tumakbo nung 12 noon. Nagtiwala ako kanina kasi makulimlim. Pero nung pagka-start ko, pagkapindot ko ng watch ko, may isang cloud, walang humarang. Parte siguro ni universe yun sa training. Sabi niya siguro, soon you will be joining an ultra marathon. The sunlight, it's gonna be your friend. Yung mga rains, yung mga sunlight, so befriend them. Dahil dyan, I think I deserve an ice cream. Deserve ko mag-ice cream. Late lang nag-sink in sa akin, grabe. Sino tatakbo ng 12 noon, tapos mag-PPR pa ng 5K. Kanina sa intro, it's whispering like a voice that whispers, today, it's gonna be your day. You can do sub 25, you can do below 25 today. Wow, I did it. You speak it to existence. That's so wonderful. It's like to feel yung pagkakaroon ng 5K within 25 minutes or under 25 minutes. It's no longer a dream. Sabi, ngayon lang nag-sink in. Sarap sa pakiramdam. Don't imitate me. May training yun. I'm sharing this not to be liked or not to brag. You know, I'm sharing this because I like it, regardless of you liking it. Kain tayo. It's a reward. Okay na, tama na. Pahinga na. Bye.